So this is the prototype of the file that we were just looking at. You'll notice that if I click somewhere and it's not actually a clickable region, it'll give us these hints and it'll just start to flash the clickable regions. So it looks like I can click on login or register. So I'm going to click on register to start. And we have a nice page transition. This is a working clickable prototype. So here's where I will register. So if I'm just clicking around, I'll notice that I now have two clickable regions. They have made the back button a clickable region and the next button a clickable region. And we can actually click through multiple user flows through our prototypes. So I'm going to click on next, and then I'm going to click on sign up. And now we are in the application. This is very, oh, look, we have a nice horizontal sliding carousel. And if I scroll down, we have a photo gallery. And if I scroll and let go, that's a very nice simulated deceleration. It's very accurate to what one would experience for the look and feel of the mobile device that it is trying to simulate this prototype for. So as I scroll to the bottom and I click around, it appears I have options here for search, comments, and people. So let's see, I can click on this top comment, and it looks like that enters us into a little conversation with a nice transition. And let's try home, and that brings us back to the front page. So that's all very interesting. And if I actually go back to the prototype, I can actually start to see how that was set up. There are some instructions here for how to view the prototype and see how it works. And if we take a look at all of those connections, clicking the register and login button brings you to these different screens. Clicking on this next button brings you to this user flow. Clicking on, here's our carousel where they have all of these slides linked together into one element that we can scroll through. We have a number of paths that are leading to this page. Here are the buttons that we clicked on. Here are the transitions that we experienced. And this is essentially not just how you design a prototype, but this becomes a map of the user flows that you are designing. It's just a quick overview of the direction that we will be heading towards and the types of prototypes that we will be developing here in this course this semester.